Good morning, friends. Come to the class number 16. 16th class. See the students. Here we are discussing last 15 classes regarding the trigonometric functions. Now, today also we will calculate some application type of examples on allied headers. And for those examples will help for the CET also. Some CET examples also. So last classes also we have discussed some CET examples. Let us see today also some CET examples we will calculate. Show that sin square of pi by 18 plus sin square of 2 pi by 18 plus sin square of 7 pi by 18 plus sin square of 8 pi by 18 is equal to 8 pi by 18 is equal to 2. Now see my friends, this example also asked in the CET examination. Many times asked in the examination. The value of the, we give the 4 options, you know the CET type. So here in the, according to theory, here we have given to show that is equal to 2. Let us see the students. LHS is equal to sin square pi by 18 plus sin square 2 pi by 18 plus sin square of 7 pi by 18 and plus of sin square of 8 pi by 18. This is your LHS. You have to prove it as it to. Let us see how to convert. You know very well, friend. Conversion of radian to degree, degree to radian, radian to degree and degree to radian. So here we will convert these. I have got in the previous class. You may convert, if this type of examples, you may convert it in terms of degrees, it becomes very simple. Here I will convert pi by 18 and then I will multiply by 2, then whatever I have conversion, then I will multiply by 7, 2 pi by 18 it is, 7 pi by 18 and then I will multiply by 8, it is 8 pi by 18, then I will multiply by 7. Like that, then I will multiply by 2. So if I calculated this one pi by 18, then you may write it directly, the remaining 3 also you may write it directly. Pi by 18, you know, pi by 18, converting in terms of this radian, converting in terms of degree, multiply by pi, 180 by pi, you will get in terms of degree, this pi and pi get cancelled. So 18, 10, 180. So how much it is? 10 degree it is? See, it is 10 degree. This is 10 degree, 2 into 10, 20 degree. This is 7 into 10, 70 degree, 8 into 10, 80 degree. Like the problem becomes, see the given example becomes sin square of 10 degree, sin square of 20 degree, plus sin square of 70 degree, plus sin square of 80 degree. Is it clear, friends? That I have converted in terms of degree. Now see, because of it is very simple. You may convert it here. Now see the students here. I will write sin 10 degree square or cube, whatever it will be. Shall I write this as a 90 minus of 80, whatever it may be the power. We don't bother about the powers. According to that power, so we take it out again. So here I have written 10 degree is equal to, is it possible to write 90 minus 80. You may write it. You may write it. So here I am converting the two terms like that, and two terms will remain as it is. You will come to know this is also sin square of 70 degree. Now see, this is 20 degree. Shall I write 20 as a 90 minus of 70? Is it become sin 20 degree? 20 can be written as 90 minus 70. Is it possible to write it? Converting it using the allied angles. These two terms remain as it is. You will come to know next step why I am converting these two terms only and why not these two. You will come to know in the next step. So you know whatever it may be the power, you don't bother about the power. Sin 90 changes here. What it is? Cos. It becomes cos 80. So it becomes what? Sin 10 is equal to cos 80. You may write it. Sin 10 is equal to cos 80. Square is there. Square you can take. Similarly, this second term also. Sin 90 changes to cos. Both are in the first quadrant. Positives. Both are 90 minus. Both are in the first quadrant. Positives. Square it is. Square you can take. See, these two terms you have converted in terms of a cos. These two terms remain as it is. In terms of sin only, sin square of 70 plus sin square of 80. Sin square of 70 and sin square of 80. See, arrange the terms here. These two terms you may arrange it. Cos square 80 plus sin square of 80. You know very well. Now you come to know why it converted these two terms. And cos square 70 degree plus of sin square of 70 degree. These two terms becomes, this is equal to 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 any term. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Any angle it is. You may take any angle. Sin square theta plus square plus r. Cos square 70. Here what? The angle should be same. Square of the two terms. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to, is it your RHS? Like that you may convert it. So you better it is, you may convert in terms of degree, so you will get easily what type of you have to convert it. So this is the sin square 10, sin square 20, sin square 70, sin square 80. In terms of radian, pi by 18, 2 pi by 18, 7 pi by 18 and 8 pi by 18. So this is what the CET type examples are. So these questions are asked in the CET examination students. These are asked in the CET examination. Now come to the next one. We'll go for the next one. I think this is clear. The students here, you get this one here. Only the conversion here. You may write. So here what we have done here. So sin 10 degree you have written as a cos 80 degree is equal to cos 80 degree. Yes. Sin 20 degree is equal to cos of 70 degree in terms of sin. So if you convert it is in terms of using the allied 90 minus theta, it becomes the same. So using these two terms you have converted and two terms remain as it is that you have arranged in terms of pair using that first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta you have substituted as 1. Now see the next similarly. See this one. Prove that cos square of 45 minus theta plus cos square of 45 plus theta is equal to 1. This type of example already calculated in the last class. So is equal to 1. Products are not converted here. So this is sum in terms of sum. See the students here, this is the same type. The previous type it is, but the angle is different here. There are the four terms are sine terms, sine square in terms of sine square. So these two are the cos square, because sum is there. So cos square of the angle is different here, 45 minus theta plus cos square of 45 plus theta, cos square of 45 degree plus of theta. Now let us convert in terms of the cos in terms of a sine here. Any one of the term you may convert either this one, this angle or this one, this function or this one. You may convert any one here. So here I am converting this one. Cos square of square is there. I will write this 45 minus theta like that. Is it a 45? 90 minus 45 is 45. What do you want? Minus theta. Plus theta. You take minus plus, it becomes a minus. Is it clear here? See the students. So how I have written here 45 minus theta I have written as a 90 minus of 45 plus theta. Here I am converting in terms of sine number. Here I am converting in terms of the same number. Here angles are different. Angles are different. Converting in terms of the same. So that type of you have to convert it and you have to write it. Plus as it is the second term. Cos square of why I am taking 90 that it changes the function and it becomes a one term sine and one term is cos, then it becomes the identity, it becomes that first identity. So therefore converting any one of the term here, not both, any one converting here, then cos changes to sine here. Don't bother about square. 90 minus theta, what is theta here? 45 plus theta. You consider this whole term as a theta. This whole term as a theta. Cos will changes to sine theta. So square, if cube, 90 minus first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all are positive. Positivity. This is as it is. Cos square 45 plus theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your RHS. The value of the CET examination. How he will ask the value of the cos square 45 plus theta plus cos square 45 plus theta is equal to. He may ask like that. That's what it is. He may ask like that. Many times asked the first type of examples. In the CET examination, in the trigonometry portion, one to two examples. Two examples will be asked in the CET examination on this trigonometry chapter. Two examples. From the first PUC syllabus, 15 to 16 questions from the index. So 1 to 2 questions will be from the trigonometric functions. So this is the second example. Now we go for the next one. Same type of CET examples we calculate today. See the next example, friend. Next example. Yes, you will take here some of the three terms here. Show that cos square of pi by 2 plus cos square of pi by 4 cos square of 5 pi by 12 is equal to 3 by 2. Same type of example. The previous class calculated. See here, three terms. Here one of the angle pi by 4. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. This is the standard angle. Don't bother about directly substitute their value. You can write it here. Then you bother about these two values, pi by 12 and 5 pi by 12. Let us calculate pi by 12 in terms of degree. You may get easily how to convert that one. Conversion, any one of the both are cos. You may convert anyone in terms of sine. Cos to sine in these two terms. Anyone you may convert. Then it becomes that identity. Then you simplify it. You get the 3 by 2. See the LHS here. LHS cos square pi by 12. Instead of converting radian, then if you have taken in terms of degree, it becomes a simple 8. You will get idea. Then how to convert it is 5 pi by 12. This is the LHS here. There is no question on this one. This is standard error. Directly substituting. So pi by 12. In the previous class also we have calculated pi by 12. Convert in terms of degree. This one we have converted same like 5 by 8 cancel. 12 1 12. So how much here? 6 remains. 16 becomes 12 5 is 16. So this is what here? 15 degree it becomes 15. Pi by 12 15. 5 pi by 12. 5 into 12 degree. 5 into 12 degree. Is it clear? This is 15, 12 degree. This is 15 degree. This is 15 degree. 5 into 15 degree. So like that converting it. Cos square of 15 degree. This is 1 by root 2. I will substitute cos 45 degree square of this one. This becomes 5 times of 15 degree. 75 degree. 75 degree. Now convert it is any one of the term you can convert, you will get it easily. So anyone you may convert here. Shall I write 15 is equal to 90 minus 75? It becomes a sine term. Here what? 15 degree we have written as a 90 minus of 75 degree. Correct it. Is it possible, right? Yes, write it. Q square is the square taking it. Cube is the cube taking any power. You don't bother about the power here. This is 1 by 1 to 1 square 1 by 2. This is cos square of 75 degree as it is. Then cos changes to sine 90 minus theta, sine theta. What is theta here? 75 degree. Square is that square. First quadrant it is positive. In the first quadrant it is positive. Take this term here plus cos square of 75 degree plus 1 by 2. What is this? Cos square 75 plus sin square 75 is it even? Because of identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is 1 by 2 as it is. 1 plus 1 by 2. 3 by 2. This is your RHS. Like that, you have to calculate the CET examples. Very simple it is. Within a fraction of minutes, you will get it. The answer. So here, why I am converting? Are you getting the students here? Why I am converting in terms of degrees? Because of it becomes simple. 7 to 15, 19, 75. You have that term. What should you have to convert? That will come to know in the after knowing the terms. 75, 90 minus. Converting any one of them. You have to change the function. Then you should take 90 minus. Sine also same. Sine also same. Then this is what the one of the CET example. This is also the structure. Like that you have to convert. Now let us go to the next one. I will go to the next one example. Now see the students, next one also. I will convert next one also. Now see the next one. See this one. Show that this is the ones asked in the CET examination. Show that all the questions are asked questions in the CET. Cot 54 degree divided by tan of 36 degree plus cot 20 degree divided by tan of 70 degree is equal to 2. It is E is equal to 2. See this one. This is also asked in the CET examination, sir. These are all today's what we are discussing. Today's and previous class 2, 3 examples are all the asked questions here. Now see this one here. Take LHS. LHS is equal to cot 54 degree divided by tan of 36 degree plus cot 20 degree divided by tan of 70 degree. This is the LHS of this one here. So see the students, one term cot, one term tan. One term cot, one term tan. Convert any one of the term, either numerator term or denominator term. Either numerator term or denominator term. Anyone you may convert it. See here, I will convert the numerator term. I will write 54 is equal to 90 minus 54 is equal to, is it possible to write it as a 90 minus 36? Convert in terms of that denominator here. Same you should get as denominator. Or you write 36 is equal to also 90 minus 54. Convert any one term remain as it is. This is the 36 as it is. Now tell me students here you will get it now. Just we have converted 20 it is. Denominator 70. 20 is equal to, you will write 90 minus 70. You get that you are required angle also. With that denominator angle also that much. And the function is also changes. Cot 20 can be as 90 minus of 70. Tan of 70 degree. Tan of 70 degree. Not converting both. Anyone either numerator converting or the denominator converting the students. So cot changes to tan. Tan of 36 degree it is. Denominator we have a tan of 36. Is it there? First quadrant positive it is. Cot changes to tan. Similarly in the second term also cot is changes to tan. It becomes 70. It is same angle. The thing is that you have to convert the same angle. If squares in terms of sine and cos, you have the identity tan and cot, either products or the denominator terms, like that you have to convert it and you have to simplify it. So here both the terms are same here. Tan 36, tan 36 get cancelled quantities plus half tan 70, tan 70 plus half 1. This is equal to 2 it is. This is the adjustment. Like that we have to convert here. So such types of examples many times asked in the CET examination. This 54 degree and the 20 degree. Like that here we have converted to the students. Like that you have to convert it to the same type of we have to convert it to the students. Now come to the next one. Let's see the next one also. Come to the next one. See the students, next one. In terms of products there. In terms of product, find the value of, see the students, tan 1 degree, products tan 2 degree, tan of 3 degree, up to 89 degree, tan of 89 degree. Tan 90 is not taken. If you take that term, it becomes the whole term, not defined. All the terms are products. See the students. Find the value of tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, tan of 4, 5, 6, up to 89. All the terms in the form of products. How many terms here? 1 to 89. So 89 terms here. See the students. I will write this tan 1 degree. Tan 1 degree. Shall I write 90 minus of 89 degree? Is it possible right here? Before writing, you have the terms like that, students. Tan 1 degree, tan of 2 degree, tan of 3 degree, tan of 87 degree, tan of 88 degree, tan of 89 degree. Like that you have the terms here. Products in terms of products of all these terms here. 89 terms here, 89 terms. So here I have converted this 1 degree as a 90 minus 89. See, 1 is equal to 1 degree is equal to, is it possible, right? Yes, 1 is equal to 90 minus, converting in terms of a tan. The thing is that, so converting all the terms are products. Here half of the terms converting in terms of cot and half of the terms remain as it is in terms of tan. Then making the pair of the two terms, using the reciprocal relations, the alternatives that tan cot, like that arranging the terms, so you may get the result here. So this tan 1 you have converted like that. Similarly, here I will convert 2 also. Tan of 90 minus 88, is it possible, right? 2 is equal to 90 minus 88. So because here you have a terms of tan 87, 88, 89, like that you have the terms. You have the terms. Similarly, 3 is equal to, so 3 can be written as tan of 3 is equal to 90 minus 87, like that. So half of the terms converting like that. Half of the means of 2 tan 44 converting. 44 pairs. There also 44 pairs. Like that we have 44 plus 88 it becomes. The total terms here 89 here. That one tan 45 degree remain as it is. Tan of 45 degree remain as it is. And the remaining terms tan 87 into tan of 88 into tan of 89. See that one. This expression becomes, see how much it becomes long. Now see how it becomes. See the students here 90 minus theta. Is it changes? Tan changes to cot by using the alliance 90 minus theta. So 90 minus 89, first quadrant positivity. The function changes. Similarly, see this one also. Cot 88. Or you have the terms same angles there, products here, all the terms are product here. 89 product terms are there. Like that making 44 pairs, then 45 one. So that one. Let us see. This is cot 87 becomes all the positives because of first quadrant. 89, 88 and 87. Similarly, next what we have? 86, 85 like that we have the concept. Tan 45 as it is up to like that converting terms. 44 up to 44 converting. After tan 44, 45 onwards remain in terms of tan only. These terms are in terms of tan only. This is 87, this is 88, this is 88 and this is the 89. So remain as it is. Now see, you combine and make it pairs, tan into cot. You know one of the reciprocal relation. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1 and the angles are same. The reciprocal, using the reciprocal relation, tan into cot becomes 1. Convert the, make it the pair, cot 89, tan 89. Here I am making the pairs here, this term and this term, tan 89, cot 89. Like that you can make the pairs, cot 88 into tan 88. Like that the terms here, these two terms here. Similarly, 87, cot 87 into tan of 87. Is it like that? All the terms are getting pair type of such types of pair and the same angles here, tan into cot, tan into cot. Next pair will be what? Cot 86, tan 86. Yes. Next 85, tan 85, cot 85. Then cot 84, cot 88. Like that you have the pair of terms up to what? 44 pairs. Then what remain here? This is the only one term remain, which is that one? Tan 45 degree. So what is this one? Using this reciprocal relation, is it becomes one? It is. This is one, this is one, this is one, and then remaining. Next what we have the next pair 86 and 86, cot 86 and tan 86, cot 85 and tan of 85 like that. Like that the pairs and using that same angles here. So using that reciprocal all becomes one. It is that finally 89 terms. See the problem 89 terms. This is the one only one term. So this is the tan 45. What is the value of tan 45 also? The tan 45 also one here. Is it all the products of 1? What will be the answer becomes? 1 it is. So this is one RHS. So this is also one asking the CET exam. So these are all the CET questions. Today what we are discussing, all the questions are CET questions. So this is 2 to 3 times asked in the CET examination. So same type using this one more example we have. Let us see that one also. Let us see that one also. Now next come to the next example. Now see the next one. Same type. One more using the same type question. It is that question also asked in the CTA examination. It is in terms of logarithm. See the students. Find the value of log of tan 1 degree plus their products. Here some log of tan of 2 degree plus log of tan of 3 degree plus so on up to log of tan of 89 degree. See the student, the difference between the previous example and this example, the only the thing is that there in terms of product without log term, there in the previous example you have tan 1, tan 2, tan 3 like that you have tan of 89. So this is what using that logarithms given here in terms of logarithm, but some of the terms are given here. So students, log means here I go for the log property, one of the log property. You know that the logarithm property log u plus log v to the base 10 is equal to log of u into v. Sum in terms of log of u into v. Log u base 10 minus of log v to the base 10 or base e, it becomes log of u by v also. These are the logarithm property. These are the logarithm property. Using this logarithm property, here you may extend this number of terms also. Using this logarithm property, I will write this as a log of tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan of 3 degree, tan of 89 degree, tan of 89 degree. So this is what that logarithm property, it becomes using the logarithm property, it becomes the terms like log u, log v, log w, log x, log whatever log w, so on up to the terms, it becomes what is products in terms of u, v, w, x, whatever it is the products. Using this logarithm property, here I am converting the terms here. Now see, here what it becomes after taking that log here, is it becomes the product terms here? Is it becomes product here? That products here, let us see how calculated this one here. What is that value? 1. Already I have calculated. Is it a, shall I write it is a 1? You have converted, calculated. You may write, you are calculating in the CT example, you may write it. So here once again I am converting this one here first. Once again I am calculating it. This log as it is, you know very well. Tan 1, here I will write it directly, cot 89. Shall I write directly cot 89? You know previous one. Tan 1 degree is equal to, here I am writing here, I will show this one, 90 minus 89. 90 minus 89. So it becomes a cot 89. Is it becomes a cot 89? Similarly, tan 2 degree is equal to, then tan of 90 minus 88. Like that, shall I write it here? See the terms here. One more step I will write here the structure. Tan of 1, tan of 2, tan of 3 degree, tan of 45 degree, tan of 87, tan of 88. Is it whatever the terms we have in the bracket, the terms are here already there. Now see the students, a log of, shall I write this as a cot 89? You know this one, previous one. This 2 can be written as a, is it percent right? Cot 88. Is it percent right? Cot of 88. And this one what? Is it a cot 87? Yes, it is a cot of 87. Similarly, cot 86. Cot 86, 85 like that. Up to like that you are converting up to 44. This tan 45 as it is. This tan of 45 degree as it is. The next, shall I remove this one student here? You know very well it is 2 degree, 3 degree, 3 tan in terms of cot. Similarly, tan 87. Tan of 88, tan of 89 degree, tan of 89 degree, like that converting the structure. Let us make the pair cot 89, tan 89. Yes, like that the 44 pairs, totally 89 here, 44 pairs become 88. This is the one term we can get. So like that cot 88, tan 88, tan of 88 this pair. Similarly 87, 87, 86, 86. Like that you have to consider what remain only the term tan of 45 degree. I have shown in detail in the previous class here. This one also I am showing this one here. Those who are not getting, let us see once again also. This is what one it is because of tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta reciprocal relation. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. This is one. This is also one. This is 86 and 86. Like that we have only the terms. What is tan 45 degree one? It is. This is only the one term remains here. All the 44 pairs are there. Like that they have the reciprocal relation. It becomes what it is. It becomes what it is. Log of 1 into 1. What is log 1? Log 1 value is 0. The log 1 value is 0. Log 2 value 0.3010. Like that you have the, remember student, log 1 value is 0. Log of 1 value is 0. So therefore the answer becomes 1. So this is also once asked in the CET examination, students. This is also asked in the CET examination. So this question is also asked in the CET examination, students. These are all the CET questions, students. You have calculated whatever today you have calculated. These examples are CET examples only. Now let us go for the next one. Very interesting also, students, to solve. Very interesting also. You may get it the previous example. Using that previous example, you may write it. The previous example, you should remember it. Tan 1, tan 2, tan 3, previous example. Tan of 89 degree. You should remember it. What is the answer? It is 1. It is. You have calculated. So this one, log of tan 1 plus log of tan 2, log of tan 2 plus log of tan 3 plus so on, log of tan 89, log of tan of 89. You should remember. So this is what the using this logarithm property, all the becomes a product. Then value is what it is. Log 1 value is 0 it is. Similarly, when we say cot 1 degree, cot 2 degree, cot 3 degree, so on up to cot of 89 degree. This is also what it is. In terms of cot, converting some half of the terms up to 44, converting in terms of tan. Here remain also cot it is, cot tan, the pair making a reciprocal. Perspective 1, cot 45 is also on. This answer is also different. Remember like that in the alternative it is that you should remember it is the solution. This is also the one, this value is also one. Now see the student. We will go for the next example. Like that you have to calculate that. Now see this one. Very interesting this one. Find the value of cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree plus cos of 170, not plus, sorry, all the terms are there, up to cos of 179 degree. See the students here? Product 179 terms product. As you have it, 89 terms are product. Cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, cos 4, cos 5, cos 6. So on is equal to cos of 179 degree. This question also once asked in the CET examination. The same question is also asked in the CET examination. Very interesting it is. So cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, so on up to cos of 179 degree. See the students. Solution. Here I am writing cos 1 degree up to, you are thinking totally it is 179 terms. Cos of 179 terms. If I written some terms, you will come to know the students. You will come to know the result also. Very simple it is. You may fraction of second, you may tell the answer it is. Tell me what it is. Are you getting some of you are getting the answer it is? Yes, answer is 0 it is. See how it is 0. Cos 1 degree, cos of 2 degree, cos of 3 degree, 4 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree like that, 91, 92, 93, cos of 178, cos of 179. Like that you have the terms. Like that you have the terms. 178, 179. Is it like that you have the terms? Yes, you have like that the terms. cos 1, cos 2, cos 3 into all the terms of productivities. What is this cos 90? Cos 90 becomes 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. 0 into anything is what? This cos 90 vanishes the whole the expression. Is it clear all of you? This cos 90 vanishes the whole the expression. It becomes one of the term you have a multiple cos 90. So it becomes 0. It is no use. So all the terms it becomes what? It is 0. It is cos of 3. Whatever it may be. So this is what 0. Then let's see. This is cos 178, 179. Not necessarily to calculate. Don't convert like that in terms of sign. Whatever it may be, plus square like that you are converting here. Cos is there, it is not possible like that. You don't think like that. You are supposed to be thinking like that. So this is one of the terms. Very simple. It is one of the terms. You have a cos 90 degree. Then that becomes 0. It is like that. So you have to calculate this students. So this is also once asked in the CET examination student. This question also once asked in the CET. Yes, like that you have to convert it. Like that, you may have to convert it. Now let us see the students here. One more question. One more question. Now see this one here. Yes. Find the value of is. See this one. Sin square of 5 degree plus sin square of 10 degree. Difference of 10, 5. Sin square of 15 degree. Sin square of 90 degree plus square of. So like that difference of 5 degrees up to starting from 5 to 90 degree. See, very well it is. See the students, solution of this one. Sin square of 5 degree, sin square of 10 degree, sin square of 15 degree, you have the terms. Sin square of 45 degree. Plus here up to sin square of 50 degree, sin square of 85 degree plus sin square of 90 degree. Difference of values. See the students. Shall I write this as a 90 minus of 85? Square of the terms. One term cos. We have 85 term. That becomes making the pair sin square theta plus cos square theta in terms of pair such that is identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I write this as a sin square 90 minus 80. Is it possible? Right? Similarly, this one also sin square of 90 minus of 75 to 3. Like that, converting up to 40 like that converting. This sin square 45 onwards as it is. You know this is the very well. 1 by 2 it is 1 by 2 square of this one. Sin 45 it is 1 by 2 square of this one. The next sin square 50 onwards same as it is. Sin square of 85 plus sin square of 91 it is. Square of 1 square it is 180. These two are the standard letters. 30 also there. Sir, you are asking 30 also there, 60 also there. Not converting it. So you are converting in terms of pairs here. Now see this one. This becomes this is cos 85. This is converted. Sin is a cos. Then this is what? This is also cos 80. First quadrant to positive here. Sin converted to cos. This is also sin converted to cos. Like that converting. Some pairs like that. Some terms like that converting in terms of a cos it is. Sin changes to cos. Cos it is cos of 75 degree plus 1 by 2. This onwards 45 onwards remain as it is. Sin square of 50 degree. Sin square of 85 degree. Sin square of 85 degree. This one is minus 1. Now see the students making the pair. Cos square 85 plus sin square 85. We have the terms. Or you have the terms. Sin square 85 cos square 85 plus cos square 80. I have 80 terms sin square 80. After this 45, you have the terms of sin only. Or you have the sin square of 80 term. Same type, similar type of example today. Next. Plus cos square of 75. Or you have 75 term. In terms of sin square of 75 different. Like that, making the terms. Then next. 70 also. 65, 60 also. Then 55, 50 also. then 50. Then this is what? 1 by 2 plus 1. Now see, you may write it. This is remote 1, this is 1. By using the identity, you know very well. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Using this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is 1 plus of this is also 1. Then this is also 1, 75. Next, see the one what? 70. Is it 1? Next, 70 after 65. Then 60. Is it? Then 60. Then after 60 is 55. Then after 55, 50. Then 45, you have written that value 1 by 2. And then the term is 90. See how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Is it a 9 1, 1 and a half? 9 ones and then half. This becomes a 9 1 and a half. So this is the answer here, 9 1 and a half. This is your answer, student. This is the 9 1 and a half. Is it clear, students, sir? So this is the like that you have to remember. This is also once asked the CET examination, students. This is also the CET examination. Once asked the CET examination. So with this, I conclude the today's class, students. I will continue in the next class. Thank you, students. Thank you.